We all might have come to a point in our mobile developer journey to either pick some images or videos from the device gallery or camera. Image Picker plugin helps us do exactly that. In this part, we are going to show you how to pick a single image from gallery and camera and display it in the Flutter app. To implement the image picker, we need to use the image picker package, so the first thing we need to do is to add the package to the pub spec. Once the package is installed, we would need to make some changes to our iOS and Android config files. According to the package document, we don't need to apply special settings for Android. But for iOS, we need to add these keys in info.plist. If you run the app and come across this error, to fix it just update the distribution URL and Gradle wrapper to this URL and also update the Gradle version and build.gradle to this version. I put two buttons on the page, Pick Image from Gallery and Pick Image from Camera. When we click on the first button, we will select a photo from the gallery, and when we click on the second button, we will take a photo with the camera. Let's define a future method named Pick Image from Gallery. Now it's time to use the Image Picker package to select a photo from the gallery. For this we need to use the Pick Image method in the Image Picker class. The Pick Image method has a parameter called source, which we have to specify the source of photo selection, which we set as gallery. When the photo is selected, this method returns an X file that we must use to display the photo, so I saved the return value in a variable called returnedImage. Now we have to display the photo we selected. For this we first define a global file variable called selectedImage. Then we check if it is not null. We display it using the image.file widget. Otherwise we display please select an image text. Now we have to go back to the Pick Image from Gallery method. Here when the image is selected, we have to set it in the selected image and use setState to change the value of the selected image and update the page. For testing, we must call this method, so when we click on the button, we can call it. As you can see, the phone gallery opens and we can select an image. Now if we select an image, we will see that image is displayed. Let me show you something. Now if we stop in the gallery and do not select an image, we will see this error. The reason for this error is that we did not select an image and we set the null value in the selected image. To handle this, we put a condition before setState that if the returned image value is equal to null, don't go to the next line. To select the image from the camera, we must execute the exact same method. But instead of using gallery in the source property, we must use camera. So I copy the same method and change its name to Pick Image from Camera and also change the source to camera, and then call this method. And make sure hit the subscribe button to get next video.